Beginners, this is Amit Meena, founder of Punk Marine Services. In today's video, I'd like to give information regarding what is that point where a particular given operation, for example, if you're on an offshore vessel, you're on a supply vessel, at what particular point it is time for you to decide that no, a particular operation cannot go ahead because you have realized that no, one of the engines is not working or something like that, and you have to abort the operation. So that's a very mature decision which has to be taken well in advance, because taking undue risk and then going for inside the 500-meter zone of any given installation is definitely not safe. So that one very important thing is to be noted down, that it is very important to decide that when we need to abort a particular operation. So that is a cumulative decision which is taken by the bridge team and the engine team, that when we have to abort a given operation, because what is important is just doing the operation is not important. You have to comply by the rules and regulations regarding the status of your vessel, whether all the equipments are working, all the machineries are working or not. And what is at stake is that your vessel safety is at stake, the safety of the installation is at stake, then the environment is at stake, the crew members on board, the cargo on board. So a lot of things are at stake when you are really working in close proximity with installation. So that is what a very mature decision has to be taken well in advance before entering 500-meter zone of any given installation, that if everything is fine, definitely you must go ahead with your operation. That is what how the import, export and trade goes on. That is the way the oil and gas exploration industry, supply vessel industries go on. So definitely, if everything going well, safe operations are most important. Paramount is safety. That is what needs to be realized, and that's it. And that is the time when we need to realize that whether we can go ahead with the safe operation, and if there is something really not working, it is when is the time when we need to abort a particular operation. These factors are really to be taken into account when deciding or approaching a given 500-meter zone of any installation. That's it. Do like, share and subscribe. A lot of videos regarding offshore industry, maritime industry will keep coming, and definitely take care and safe voyage. Take care.